Hello everybody, this is Deidre with Paper Crafts and Planners, and I'm here to draw the winner of this cute card making kit from Echo Park. I'll link to the video below showing what I did with this kit, but I put everybody's name on a 2x3 piece of paper, same size, same color, same paper, everything. I'm going to put it into this bowl. There are two names that are not in here because one of the people that commented was my mother and the other one was my best friend, and so since I know them in real life, I didn't add them to this. But I'll show you that I have everyone's name: Audrey, Nikki, Victoria. You might hear my grandchildren running up and down the hallway. Also thunder and lightning. It's kind of a crazy day. Felicia, Connie, Moran, probably. I apologize if I get anybody's name wrong. Chris. This is Lori A.U. There's also a Lori O. Lori O. And Sue. Jan. This is the same bowl I've used for every drawing that I've had on my channel. Gloria. I may not be able to use it much longer because I noticed this this was a lot to fit in here this time, so I may need a bigger container to do drawings. But it's kind of sentimental because my nephew made it for me, so I've always used it. Okay, I'm gonna pick one out of here. I apologize if this video is very sketchy because of the weather. Audrey Martinez. Audrey, I will have my email linked below. All you need to do is email me your mailing address. I will give Audrey a week to do so. If she doesn't within a week, then I will come back and draw for another winner. I haven't had to do that yet, so hopefully I won't this time. Thank you so much to everybody who watched, commented, liked my channel, subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate all of you. And stay tuned. I do these drawings and giveaways every so often. Thank you so much, everybody. Happy crafting.